difference of two squares. You can see difference of two squared here because I can see a squared minus another squared. The difference of two squared, a squared minus b squared is going to be a plus b times a minus b. Right, if you can't see what's going on here, I could see what's going on here because you could just say, well, so that's going to be x plus 1, right, my plus x minus 1 times x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So you have to be careful with this one. Alright, so I have to put the negative one in a bracket, and that would then be, well, that's 2x. 1 minus 1 is 0, so that's just 2x. And I'm timesing that by, so I use a dot for times. Well, now, x minus x, that is basically, they cancel out. 1 minus minus is plus, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that will be times 2 because 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And that will be equal to 4x. So that really should be 4x. But if you're not sure how to do that, because it looks confusing, so you need to assign a squared. So you could say a squared equals x plus 1 squared. Therefore, a will be x plus 1 squared square root, and that would just be x plus 1. The same thing with b. B squared would be x minus 1 squared. B would be square root of x minus 1 all squared, and that would just be x minus 1. So now you want to put them here and there. So you want to say, well, x plus 1 squared minus x minus 1 squared will be equal to a, which is x plus 1, plus b, which is plus x minus 1, another open bracket, a, which is x plus 1, minus, because there's a minus here, you got to be careful here. Minus, you have to use open bracket because you're dealing with minus, x minus 1, close bracket, and then close the bracket, that bracket here. But this one I had to put in a bracket because there's a minus in front of it. Now, plus doesn't matter, but minus does matter. And now, you see, I can see x plus x is 2x. 1 minus 1 is 0. All right, that's one bracket. This bracket is, if I expand that bracket, that would be minus x plus 1. So that would be minus x plus 1. X minus x is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that would be times 2. And that would be 4x. So the answer to that is 4x, and that's 4x.